Hello and welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withal. We're very proud to be franchisees for Adria Motorhomes, and because of that we have this magnificent 2023 Adria Matrix Supreme 670 SC. It has the outer heating, it has a trimmer aircon unit on the top along with a 2-lay wind out awning. Why don't you take a look, let me know what you think in the comments below. I really hope you've enjoyed watching our video, and if you have, why not check out our other videos on our YouTube channel. Better still, come down and view them for yourself.